Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is LouAnn and welcome to my kitchen. That coffee's a brewing, and you know there's some sweet iced tea in that ice box somewhere. And so today we are going to be making Crockpot rotisserie chicken, and it is out of a school cookbook. And I will try to leave the photo of that cookbook somewhere in this video. So you're going to need a whole chicken. So I'm going to turn the camera out and show you what we're doing. So my crock pot has a liftable out deal. So container, whatever. First thing we're going to do, we're going to spray this with some olive oil spray. So I got that done. So the next thing we need to do is take some aluminum foil and bound it up just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this crock in my crock pot and I'll be right back. So thanks to Mr. Clarence at Walmart, we're going to be able to make this recipe. A little tip, this could, if I wasn't going to fix this chicken, I could put it in the freezer, or I can use it and make broth, or cook it and cut it up and put it in the freezer for a later date. So I'm going to rinse this chicken off and clean the goodies out of it, and then I'll be right back. So I did take the innards out, the neck, and cut off some skin, and I'm going to put that in a bag. I don't think I'm going to do that the way with the liver, but we're going to put that in a bag. We're going to put it in the freezer, and at a later date we can make some broth using that. So I've cleaned it out. So next thing it says to do is to spray olive oil in the cavity and spray it. And of course we're going to put some seasoned salt. I'm going to use my house seasoning here, and I'm going to sprinkle it on there, and I'll be right back. So the recipe says to lay it on its back on top of the aluminum foil. I'm going to make sure it's on there, and then we're going to put it on high for 5 to 6 hours, and it says it's supposed to be really tender.
Fear says, what if I fall? What if the door stays shut? What if I run out of strength? What if the night gets tough? My hands know how to shake, my voice knows how to break, but you know my tomorrow